What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Quick update on the garden bed, but before that, if you haven't watched the video on the shed assembly, or rather the shed build and the base, please go back, watch it. I'll leave the link to the videos in the description. So back to today's video. As you can see, we have some veggies growing. We did plant some tomatoes down there. We did some vegetables, some greens over here. We tried some onions. Nothing has come out yet. I don't know what we did wrong. We also did some cucumbers, I think, and they should be around here. So everything going great. Watering every day. Plus the rain here and there, so it does look great. We've already had one harvest. We got a handful of greens. These ones over here, they were great. So the compost worked, the soil that we used worked, so everything just went perfectly. So if you want to build your own garden bed, the link to the to how I built this one will be in the description too. Go ahead and watch it. It might be too late for you guys to try out something, but you can try out whatever and just see if it will grow. So for now, I'll just water it and give you guys an update in a month or so, or a few weeks. So stay tuned. Thank you for your support. Continue watching the videos.